So what is small hydropower and how does it differ from traditional hydropower?
Small hydropower plants do not really differ from the large hydropower plants or traditional hydropower plants, if you like. They are using the same energy conversion principle. There's usually the same technology installed in, just a little bit smaller. However, the size, the scale is what makes these hydropower plants interesting to the current energy development trends. And the reasons are because they are simply easier to adapt to the natural settings, thus mitigating the environmental impact. It is easier to meet the environmental regulations, which are getting more and more strict. And generally speaking, they are more affordable and flexible, thus ideal for developing decentralized energy networks.
How adaptable is small hydropower and what kind of scenarios can it be used in?
The current small hydropower technology represents a mature, efficient, and flexible systems with a wide range of adaptation to practically any hydraulic scenario. When you're installing it into industries, for example, wastewater treatment plant, another solution is to apply directly into pipelines. As a matter of fact, this is a very standard scenario because when you're delivering water, fresh water to the city, you're using usually pipelines or wells or something. And there's a high pressure at some point. And while you're releasing the pressure through the valve, you can as well generate electricity.
Small hydropower is considered a key target for the next phase of energy development. So, what roles will small hydropower play in Taiwan's energy transition?
The small hydropower plants in Taiwan are at this point pursued as a business development model, which reflects the current development boom, especially in middle and southeast Taiwan. However, I believe that these systems will gradually play their key role in the development of decentralized energy network across the island. And this is actually already happening in Taidong area because it's simply too far away from most of the grids. Now, if it comes to the grid stability, hydropower produces stable and adjustable output, where the hydropower plants could actually work as a mitigator, grid mitigator for, or voltage mitigator, if you like, for the renewable energy sources like wind or solar.